Hello, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. So today is the continuation of previous topic, and today we will use the iteration. Okay, we will iterate our data and write it out with the help of loop. Okay, so this is not a professional way to write a program. So if you have more number of data, then it is a time consuming, very difficult. The program will become very complex to add the data in a worksheet. Okay, so this is not a professional way. So what we can do, instead of this one, we can use a loop. Okay, so I will use a loop rather than this one. So let me make a commits here. Okay, so let me make a commit, and here commit and commit, because we will use a loop. Now you will see the program will remain same, but we will use a loop here. So what is the loop here? For I will use for I in range. So the range function I will use in a for loop, and it should be 1 dot length of, so here for 1 and comma length. Okay, so length, and here it should be, so what should be the length of our list? Okay, so the list here we have the name, so this is the name of the list, and it should be start from 1 up to, it will go n minus 1. Okay, so this is n minus 1. N minus 1 mean, so it will only go up to, it will only add this two the data, these two data, Ali and Heather. So it will be added, or it will only add two name, Ali and Heather. Okay, so let's say now we need to add the data now. So how we can add the data? First we need to add a of 0 Ali, then Heather, and then Meher. Okay, so how we can add this one? So first you need to go for which work group you need it, so which worksheet you are going to add. So you need to add this data in worksheet 1. Okay, so dot write. Okay, so this is the write function we are going to use, and here it will start from, and I comma, so in this case our column will remain same. Okay, because why it will remain same, I will just show you now. See here, so a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. So in this case, so the column will remain same, but only the row will change. Okay, so here this is the row number I. First it will go to I of I, then I mean 1. Okay, then row 2, then row 3, and row 4, and this is the column. So column number, it will remain a 0, mean same. So this is the column name, so this is the list name, so sorry, this is the list name, and after that you need to go for I minus 1. Okay, and I minus 1. So let me close it first. You can see there is no data, and let me run the program. So there is some error, length of name plus 1 here. Now it will be fine. Now let me run again. There is a problem with this one, the list. So see here, so it should be like this. Okay, now I think now it is fine. Let me write. Now you can see here, so this is the loop. Now it is going from 1 by 1. See here, so row number 1, and it is going to add this one, then row 2, row 3, column remains same. Okay, and now we will add the marks as well. So let's see how we can do it. So the same, only the change here, the list name. Okay, so here the list name is marks. Okay, now you can see here, this is only change here, and now we can run and we will see how it will go now you can see. Now sorry, oh my god, wait, see here. So this is M, this is column 1. Now see, this was the mistake. Here we have column 0 and here our column is 1. Now let me run. Now we can check the output. Now see here, so now it is correct. So first column number 0 and this is column number 1, you can see. So now it is correct. So we can add a formula here. So we can add the formula, we can add because we will sum all together and we will see what is the sum of all these numbers. Okay, so how we can write a formula in a Python. So let's see how we can add a formula. See that the third one is adding a formula here. So how we can add the formula? So just write. So we are going to add a formula in this worksheet w1. Okay, then we can write w1 dot write. Okay, so w1 dot write underscore formula. So where is the formula? Okay, so w1 dot write formula function, we will use this one, and the formula we can write in where we can add. So we can add the total in row number 5, or we can say row number 6, we can add the total here. Okay, row number 6. So how we can add in row number 6? It means, so b of 6, and we can add b of 6, sorry, comma, and here the formula always write in a double colon. So we will use sum of b2 to b4, sum b2 to b4. So it will go from b2 to b4. Okay, so this is the sum formula and it is closed. Now let me run the program and we will see here. Do you want? Yes, close one, save. So here, and we will see the output here. So here you can see, okay, now it is not working. So let me check. So here what we can do, we can use b2 plus b3 plus b4. Okay, now let me run and we will see here, and now you can see, now it gives the total of these number. Okay, we use the sum formula here. Okay, so we sum all together. So you can use average and all those things in your Python program, and it will take the average and whatever you want to do. Basically we can go for the analysis. Okay, data analysis. If you have a large number of data, how we can go for the analysis. So further on we will use all these functions in our data analysis. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you inshallah in next video. Thank you.